Well, good morning. Anne and I are going to the beach. So let's get going. Our first stop is the gas station.
It says it's smoker friendly.
Good, so you can have a fag while you're pumping your gas. There you go. Got the country music blasting. We're in America, must be. What's going on? There's a guy cleaning the window for us. That sure is nice of him. Hey, thank you.
Of course.
Nice of you.
You got a logo on there, you wanted people to see it.
Yes, indeed, indeed. That makes sense.
You have a great day, sir.
Okay, we're on McLaughlin Avenue right now. McLaughlin Boulevard. I was just saying to Anne, they're on the right there. The circus train used to always park. When they had circuses in town, they would park on that train track just over there. We're going into the city centre right now. Look at that, we're on the Ross Island Bridge here. There you go, and that's the Vista Ridge up there. It looks lovely, doesn't it? Those houses and stuff, can you see them, yeah?
Yep.
Yes. How you doing, Anne?
Alrighty, daddy. I'm having a good day so far.
That's why all the traffic is somewhat congested, because everybody slows down. So what do you want to do down at the beach, Anne?
I want to run around and pick up rocks and soak up the sunshine and find some big gold nuggets and then be rich and then pay off our house and have a great life. That's it.
We're on the east side of the coastal mountain range. We're going to be going over the coastal mountain range, but this time, instead of taking a left to Tillamook, we're going to go straight on and go to Cannon Beach. It's a bit further away, but there might be better things to treasure hunt, because there's a lot more people go to Cannon Beach than Rockaway Beach, that's for sure. But we may end up in Rockaway Beach, because once we get to Cannon Beach, we can just take a left and go down Coastal Highway 101 till we get to Rockaway Beach. So, excellent.
You gotta watch out for Smokey while you're driving, sweetie.
Who's Smokey, yeah?
You know. Whoop, 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 whoop. Don't speed.
Sign says, wear a mask. Smart. The grape vineyards, there's a lot of them around here.
Oh, we better stop. We better stop.
What?
Did you say vineyards?
Yeah. Where's that red wine?
Yeah. Okay.
And here we go. The sign says Seaside 26 Astoria. Dairy Queen, huh? Stub Stewart State Park. What does that mean? Do you want to get some fudge, Anne, when we get there?
If I see a shop with fudge, I'm gonna get some. Probably some panucci.
What's panucci?
Brown sugar fudge, the best kind.
Oh, okay. Don't you make that?
I do.
Also,
I do.
Here we go.
Oh boy. Timber Junction, Lines of Oregon, and they're closed.
Wolf Creek. Speed 55. Planted in 2016, so they're trying to reforest the area. course they come through and cut all the wood down here, they cut the trees and then have to replant. The government requires that so there's not large tracts of empty land. Well, this said the Dennis L. Edwards Tunnel on this big rock here. That's a coincidence his name was Tunnel because there's a tunnel there too. Sign here, Sunset Tree Farm, St Helens Pulp and Paper Company. These old boilers. Look at that, those logs, they were the skids that they would pull these things along on. It's amazing. Northwest's own railway, Spokane, Portland and Seattle, RY. She's already finding stuff. Look at that.
Number 5 on a stick.
Excellent, man, that's great. That's a good find.
Yeah, I don't mean.
This is great, isn't it? Oh, there's maybe something down here. Let's have a quick peek. Oh, look, a piece of foil. Just found a Ace craft cider here. There you go, that's a nice bottle top. It's a beauty, that one. Well, there's quite a few people down the coast here. Okay, we're going to take a break for lunch now. And we're in Cannon Beach. Here we are. So there's quite a few people out. Look at that, snow in the summer, can you believe that?
I thought we were down farther.
The further that way?
Order number 5, number 5.
No, that way.
Well, that's it from us.
We had a great time walking on the beach and seeing the beautiful ocean.
Good old Cannon Beach.
We love you.
Yep, somebody's little garden there. Very nice, very laid back, very pleasant. Heading out. Going north. Just passing the Sandcastle Inn. And the Sandcastle Out is just further down the road. The Sandcastle Out. See, as you can see, it's starting to fill up with people here on Cannon Beach. Luckily we were here earlier before we got the crowds got here. But look at it now. Well, of course it's a tourist spot, which is normal. It's a beautiful area. I mean, look at all this. Look, there's a person who's playing guitar. Huh, well, go figure. That's a great idea. Oh, there's another band there. Oh, beautiful. Dixieland Jazz. We're on Hemlock Street here. This is just a view of all the little shops and galleries. A lot of art stuff down here. Yeah, it's supposed to be an art community, that's right. And that says Black Lives Matter. I thought it said something about a Mad Hatter. With Black Lives Matter, it's a popular thing. Public Coast Brewing Company. There you go, everybody. So we got out to Cannon Beach just in time because there's tons of traffic now coming down for the weekend. So yes, yeah, we're going back up the mountain now. Welcome to
Glensick State Forest.
a lot of traffic going down the beach now. Now we're back in Portland and we're heading towards the Ross Island Bridge. Ross Island Bridge is a mighty fine bridge. Ross Island Bridge. Folks on bicycles 2x2.
At Bell Station.
That's right. And there's people waiting to cross over there too. So this is the bicycle crossing here at Bell Station. The reason it's called Bell Station is because this used to be a railway station. You know, before they had buses and stuff that everybody went to work on the train. So there used to be a train that used to go from there across the road and say, well, them people are on the bicycles there. That's where we used to go, down there. That's the old railroad tracks. And this is the famous 82nd Avenue in Portland. It's about 4 miles long and there's shops and all kinds here. Malls, Home Depots, Spanish grocery shop. There's a big sign there, Home Depot, Dania, Dick's, I don't know what that is. Stark's Vacuum Cleaners and Pet Spot.